My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Audi Q4. This vehicle has done just under 56,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. You get a good view of our virtual cockpit. Moving on to our screen, on the first page we can access radio, smartphone integration and navigation. On the second we have features such as car, phone apps, our favourites and settings. And on the final page we can access users, messages, themes, help and legal. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have heated seats on either side, and if we press our drive select button we can access our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.